Well, Kimi AI has a agentic AI feature called OK Computer, and it is able to do a lot of things. Like in this example, I was able to create this nice looking presentation document. You can also use it to do a thorough and deep research about any topic. For example, I asked it to find me the best webcam under $200 that is able to record a 4K video, and apparently this is the answer. You can also use it to design a great looking website, or perhaps you can use it to create a mock-up design for your mobile application. So this AI agent seems to be able to do a lot of things. So if you are interested, then let me show you how you can use this AI agent feature in Kimi AI. So let's navigate to kimi.com, and after that you can log in with your account. This feature is also available even if you're using the free tier in the platform, but I think it was limited to only 3 queries per month, which is not a lot, but I think it is still quite generous given the complexity of tasks that it can handle. Now, for this example, I have one request. Can you create a mock-up CV for someone that works as a network engineer? And after that, I want you to give me that CV in the PDF format. Okay, let me just double check the spelling. Okay, everything looks good. Now, just to be clear, I haven't tried this particular task, so I don't know if it is able to actually generate a PDF document, but I think it can. It's not a big task. I think it is quite trivial for this AI tool. So after that, click OK Computer. That's the name of the agentic feature in Kimi AI. Now, you can also upload some documents if you want to. You can also use your reusable prompts, but in this case, I'll just send a message and just wait for Kimi AI to plan ahead, and it will start executing certain tasks based on the to-do list that it created. So it will create a sort of to-do list, which is very interesting. And also, from my observation, this AI tool is a bit more independent compared to, let's say, Manus AI. So in Manus AI, it will usually ask you some clarification before continuing progressing the task, but Kimi AI is actually will just execute the plan immediately without asking you too much. So that's one quality that I do really like. Anyway, this process might take some time depending on the complexity of the task, so I'll just skip a word and I'll show you the final result. Alright, so the task has finished. It is actually a lot faster than I thought. It was about 2 or maybe 3 minutes, so I would say it's pretty quick. Now, as you can see, it is actually not a native feature in Kimi AI to create a PDF document, but it is able to execute certain command that is able to convert an HTML document into PDF. So again, it is quite smart and quite independent. Now I'm going to check the file and let's see what the document look. All right. Okay, awesome. Well, yeah, it looks great. The design, the color looks basically on point. It is not just some simple CV, although it is not quite perfect, but I think that's because it was originally created in the HTML format and then it was converted into PDF, so that's why some arrangement or certain layout just doesn't quite right, but I think it was still very much acceptable. So yeah, that's essentially how you can use the OK Computer, the AI agent feature in Kimi AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.